Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through common dock maintenance for the Mova P10 Pro Ultra Gen 2. If you're interested in the P10, the link to it will be in the video description. So first things first on the station right here, let's start at the very top. We have a lid that opens up to reveal our dirty and clean water tanks. Both those tanks pull up and right out to get access to them to easily refill the clean water tank. There's not much to it here. Just keep an eye on this tank. If you ever feel like it, I guess you could wash, rinse it out, and give it a nice clean. But very simple for the clean water tank. For the dirty water tank, it's in your best interest to always clean and empty this after every use. I recommend putting a little bit of mouthwash in here, some sort of bleach-based cleaner, something to help prevent odor from building up. If you don't want to empty this after every use, you definitely need to put something in here to keep this nice and fresh. It's going to start smelling bad. Not the end of the world if you don't care, and you won't smell it outside of the station, but you'll notice pretty quickly once it's time to empty if you let it sit for a couple of days, couple of weeks, that sort of thing. You could put like a denture cleaning tablet, things along those lines. You could put one of those in there to dissolve as well. But definitely stay up to date on cleaning the dirty water tank. Looking inside the top, you'll notice we have a drain hole right there, so make sure at the very bottom that drain hole's free and clear. Same with the couple little water inlets and outlets up at the top. And it looks like here's the back part of the kit. If you wanted to install like a water hookup kit, you have that option there as well too on the back side of the station. Moving further down the top of the unit, that brings us to our removable cover. Just grab it and pull it out. You can pull it away from the station. That reveals our cleaning solution tank. So only compatible with Mova's cleaning solution, and it's labeled A for you. Nothing to do here besides refill this as needed and then put it back in. Vacuum bag, same thing. Once it's full, just pull this up, dispose of the old one, take your new vacuum bag and put it back in. I recommend using a can of like compressed air to just clean the inside as needed. And then this cover only goes on one way, so just gently put that cover back on. And then down at the bottom, this is where all the magic happens. It empties itself, it charges itself, it refills, washes, cleans, and dries itself. So for this bottom cover here, this section is removable down here. So just this little tiny piece, we can gently pull it out. So you'll notice your larger debris starting to settle here. Just wash and rinse that out. You can wipe down this inside cover or ramp as needed. Just use like a Lysol wipe. And just make sure this hole at the bottom, that's going to be one of your drain. It's going to be your drain hole right there. So just make sure that's free from any clogs, which is why it's important to make sure this is free. So every once in a while, just visually inspect this. You'll see things like grass clippings, threads, pet hair, that sort of thing will start to accumulate on this. Anything that's big that might be stuck in the mop pad or just brought up from the vacuum during the self-empty process. But just put that back in when you're done, very simple. And keep an eye on this sensor, the charging contacts. And this is the side where it's self-empty, so you can feel around for any obstructions or clogs. That's it. It's a simple and straightforward station that really takes care of itself.